Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Okay, today I have a crafting haul. It's not really a crafting big huge haul, but it is a crafting haul after all. The first thing that I want to show you is what I got from AliExpress. I am going to, at the end you will see, because I'll put it all together and you'll see it. It's a little doggy die. It's so cute. He has little glasses on, so I will be putting him together. And I'm not sure who it is by, but it took a while to get in. I have like 10 things that are coming from AliExpress, but this is one of them, so I was very excited about that. So before I get into my crafting stuff, I want to show you these. I got these for $2. They were originally $4.96 a piece, but they are the little totes. But it is a little owl, if you could see that. And this is the collapsible storage bins. And it can be used with the organizers from Mainstay. It's really soft and plush, but I thought it was so cute, so I did get 2 of them. I know, I'm not a kid anymore, but it is so cute. I'm actually going to put these in my bedroom. They're going in my bedroom. So that's where they'll be going. Oh, I see Stormy left us. She's always leaving. Okay, so I was already at Hobby Lobby the other day, I think it was the other day. So I saw that they had the paper sale, and I just don't need it. I love the paper, especially since now that you can get the Prima paper and stuff. I love that. However, I just don't need it. I mean, I would love to get it, but but I did see that the flowers from Paper Studio were on sale. So I did pick these up. Aren't they cute? They are 50% off, so that's not bad. And then I was walking up and down this sewing aisle, and I came across this, and this is by Yarnology, and it is little mini tassels, and they were 50 cents a bag here. So I did pick up 2 of them, because I, of course, have the embellishment box, and I can still put them in. They were originally $1.99. There are 12 pieces in there. For $1 for 24 pieces is not bad. And they are suede, so I thought they were really cute, so they will come in handy. And then I saw these little working crystals, 22 pieces. They are originally $4.99 for $1.25. Blue ones, they are so cute. I got pink ones, and I used them on a project, and it's just so beautiful how pretty they are. So $1.25 is not too bad. I did pick up myself this little llama. Is this not the cute? Look at that. Is not the cutest? So I had to get this die. I'm going to use it today. I will be cutting it out today, and I cannot wait. And he has a little bow tie. He has little sunglasses and his little mouth. And then he has this little like blanket that goes over top of him. So cute. So this is his nose. This part right here is his little nose, his little bow tie, and his little glasses. So I cannot wait to use that today. Hi, Storm. Oh, hi. How are you? Are you? Oh, you're good? Yeah? Yeah, are you sure? Oh, okay. So she got brushed today. She loves to get brushed. She just loves it. She purrs like, if you think she's loud now, you should hear when I brush her. I feel so loud. It's so funny. Okay, and to go with that llama die that I got, I will be making a little tassel. Yeah. So I got these, and these were 50% off as well. So they were, you know, 99 cents originally. So they were 50% off of that. And then I picked this one up. Oh, I could have sworn I got 2 of them. I did. I picked this one up the other day. It's over there. And I made a couple of paper clips out of it. And that's the girls. These girls, are they not the cutest? I love them. So stinking cute. I picked up one of these the other day too. It was the coffee one. So I picked up another one. And then I love this little unicorn. Is that not cute? It's so cute. I'm sorry for the glare, guys, but it is so cute. So, yep, that is actually my haul. I picked up a die. It's for it was for the rose. It was the new rosette die that they had out by Sizzix. I got it. I used my 40% coupon on it. I got it. I brought it home. For one thing, it was so stuck inside that package. I thought I was going to bend it because, you know, you have to take it out. So I was really scared that I was going to bend it. So, I mean, it's really pretty and everything, but when I went to go put it together, it like ripped. The paper was ripping, and I was using a nice pretty thick paper. Then I decided, oh, maybe I'll use some thin paper. So I went and I used thin paper. Same thing. It was ripping, and it just was, it was not pretty. It did not turn out good. So I am going to take that one back. I have my receipt in my purse. I just forgot to grab it on the way out because we went and we got 4 new tires put on our truck. I'm so happy. We got the back brakes completely done. The front brakes were completely done. Now we got the tires. So the next thing, it goes in for inspection and stuff like that. So that is been taking up a big chunk of some of our savings for our staycation. So which is a bummer, but it needs to be done. We have to be adults sometime. So that's why I am not having that. My hauls are really small because I am on a nice strict budget, which I don't mind because all I do when I have free reign is I spend too much and I fill the house up with stuff. So last week at Michael's, I was able to do the sale. What was that? The I forget what they call that sale. Anyway, 60% off all their storage stuff. So I got myself some storage items. So I will be showing you them this week because it goes with my cabinet and stuff. So I got one for paper and one for my dies and things. So I'm very excited about that. So I will be taking you along. It took me like almost a week to clean out all my stuff, and I haven't even hit that room. So everything is now in my living room. So now my living room is my craft room. As long as I can keep it organized, I don't mind having it out here. But once it starts getting crazy, you know, it has to go be put away. But I have so much stuff. It's not even funny how much stuff I have. I thought I had a lot of stamps and I thought I had a lot of dies, but actually when I got it in those drawers, it really wasn't as much as I thought it was, which is fine. I don't need to buy any more. I can use everything. The only thing I need is sentiments. I need more sentiment stamps, and that's what I'm building now, is my sentiments. So, and then I'm waiting for some of those little girl dies. I got the little girl holding the umbrella, so I'm very excited about her. So I will put her together at the end, and I will show you all kinds of pictures of the new items that I got. And I'm going to have a Spill the Coffee with Pam session this week, so stay tuned for that because there's a couple things I need to tell you about why I'm so sick. And I also have to talk about the swap embellishment box. I will never do this again, ever, and I will tell you why. Alright guys, thank you so much for coming over and watching my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. It really wasn't that much, but these are all new. These ones are all new. I will have pictures up for you so you can see them better, but these are all new at Hobby Lobby. These ribbons, they have coordinating paper as well, so you know, so if you see it, I didn't see any coordinating paper for the coffee or for the unicorns, but I know this paper, I have this paper stack already, so I love this paper pad. So alright guys, thank you so much, and like I say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.